Very good morning, dear students. So today, before we start the actual class, let us first take a pledge during this pandemic era of the corona COVID-19. So first we take the pledge to prevent the COVID-19 and to obey the some preventive measures. So students, today we will take this pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk of myself and my colleagues and students from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Dear students, today we continue the revision of chapter number 11, and today we will take the topics application of equations and inequations. So let us start with the revision of chapter number 11, linear equations, and the topic applications of equations. Students, sometimes we have to apply these results on some statement, that is called application of equation. So linear equations can be used to solve various everyday problems like ages, money, etc. And there are various steps, and these steps are: step 1. First, assume the unknown which we want to find, that is variable, as x. Then use the given condition and convert the given problem into an algebraic equation, and then solve that algebraic equation by any of the method. For example, if we consider some questions of exercise 11.3. Here the first question is very simple one. The statement is find a number n that is 3 times the sum of 5 and 4. So according to question, the number is n, and the condition is it is 3 times the sum of 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 into 3 is the number. So number is 27. So we can take more complicated problem, like there is one problem that Sohail's mother is 7 times older than him. 4 years from now, she will be 4 times as old as Sohail will be then. What are their present ages? So this is another application of linear equation. So we assume present age of Sohail x. According to question, his mother is 7 times older than him. So it means age of mother is 7x. And after 4 years, Sohail will be 4 years older. It means if presently he is of 10 years and after 4 years he is of 10 plus 4, 14 years. And here we assume he is x years old presently. So after 4 years, the age of Sohail is x plus 4, and age of his mother is 7x plus 4, because now his mother is 7x years old. So according to question further, they said that age of his mother is 4 times the age of Sohail. So it means 7x plus 4 is equal to 4 into x plus 4. Simplifying, opening the bracket, using method of transposition. Shift 4x to left hand side, 4 to right hand side, 7x minus 4x, 3x, 16 minus 4 is 12. And 3 goes to denominator of right hand side, so x is equal to 4. So therefore, present age of Sohail is 4 years. And according to question, his mother is 7 times presently. The age of mother is 4 into 7, that is 28 years. So in this way, we can solve other statement sum. Students, now we will take the case of inequality. Inequality is a mathematical sentence formed by relating two operations to each other by inequality. Inequality means greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equal to sign, less than equal to sign. When x is greater than y, we will write x greater than y. When x is greater than or equal to y, we will impose the equal to sign also. And similarly, when x is less than y, we will express it as x less than y. And when x is less than or equal to y, then expression is written as x less than or equal to y. Now, we learn how to solve inequalities. So, in order to solve inequalities, same thing we will do. We isolate the variable on left hand side and then shifting other terms to right hand side. So like in this 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 15, shift 3 to right hand side, it become 2x less than 12, then 2 to right hand side, x less than or equal to 12 over 2. So x less than or equal to 6. So therefore solution is the set of all numbers less than or equal to 6. मीन्स कि अगर हम कोई भी नंबर 6 या 6 से छोटा इसमें डालेंगे तो ये सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगा. तो सॉल्यूशन क्या हो गया, x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 6. एंड वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट दिस सॉल्यूशन ऑन नंबर लाइन. नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है कि अगर तो x ग्रेटर देन a है या लेस देन a है तो हम वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सर्कल डाल देंगे उस नंबर पे. जैसे अगर एग्जांपल में x ग्रेटर देन 1 है तो हमने 1 पे एक छोटा सा सर्कल डाला और 1 से ग्रेटर वैल्यूज़ को हाईलाइट कर दिया. और अगर लेस देन 1 है तो 1 पे सर्कल डाल के स्मॉलर वैल्यूज़ जो कि लेफ्ट साइड पे होंगी उनको हमने हाईलाइट कर दिया. और अगर इसी तरह से इसके साथ हमारे पास ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू का साइन आ जाता है तो उस सर्कल को हम डार्क करेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 है, देन डार्कन दिस सर्कल एंड हाईलाइट द पोर्शन ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ 1 जहाँ पे ग्रेटर वैल्यूज हैं. और अगर लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 है then darken the circle at x equal to 1 and highlight the values which are on the left hand side. And in this way we can solve the inequalities. For example, अगर हम यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज 11.4 का थर्ड केस देखें, फर्स्ट पार्ट उसका 2x लेस देन 10 है तो x लेस देन 10/2 हो गया, इट मीन्स x लेस देन 5. अब हमने इसका सोल्यूशन नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करना है एंड हियर वी हैव ओनली x लेस देन 5 साइन. इट मीन्स हम 5 पे एक सर्कल डालेंगे और लेस देन लेफ्ट साइड वाली वैल्यूज को हाईलाइट कर देंगे. सो ये इसकी नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगी. इसी तरह से अगर हम दूसरा पार्ट देखें, फोर्थ पार्ट x माइनस 3 ग्रेटर देन 10 है तो पहले हम 3 को राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो वो हो गया x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 10 प्लस 3 दैट इज 13. अब हम क्या करेंगे, 13 पे एक सर्कल डाला, हमने नंबर लाइन बनाई, 0 पे स्टार्ट किया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 इस तरह से सारे नंबर लिख दिए, 13 भी लिखना है और उसके आगे के कुछ नंबर. अब 13 वाले सर्कल को डार्क करके राइट हैंड साइड पे उसको हम हाईलाइट कर देंगे. एंड इन दिस वे वी कैन सॉल्व द अदर इनइक्वालिटीज. सो होप दिस EV will help you to revise chapter number 11. So students, revise the chapter number 11 thoroughly and thank you very much for watching this EV.